Hi everyone, this is Nihar, and in today's video, we are going to learn how to create a e-commerce website which is responsive and having cool features, and we are going to create this website in less amount of time. So for this website, we are going to use WordPress as a platform, and along with WordPress, we are going to use WooCommerce and other plugins that are essential to create a website. Now, talking about the domain and the host, I am using Hostinger host where I can deploy multiple websites at the same time. I have connected my domain to the host and I have installed the WordPress on the host. Okay, it is as simple as that. Now, I'll show you how to create a website from scratch. So, talking about this website, we are going to use a template to develop all our advanced things. Now, talking about templates, we can use any templates we want, but in this case, I'm using Blocksy templates. Now, you can ask me why we are using the templates. So, a simple answer to this is that we can use the template as a foundation for this website, which means that to create this entire website, we can import any of the template, preloaded template, and we can develop all our advanced things on this website later on. And this will be very helpful and time saving method to use a template. Okay, so let's begin how to install and develop a website and by installing the templates. Okay, so let's get to the plugin section and add new plugin we can click on. As soon as we are over here, we can download a plugin called Blocksy. Okay, so those of you don't know what is a plugin, so basically plugin is nothing but a bunch of, it is a tool which is having bunch of codes already loaded in that, and we can use plugins to simplify or to just drag and drop, to use drag and drop method to do advanced functions on the website. Okay, so many of the companies develop their own plugins and deploy them on WordPress. So on Blocksy, we have Blocksy Companion. Okay, so we need to install this plugin on the website. Plugins are also like an app which we are using on your mobile phone. Okay, so apps are helping us to use different functions on the mobile. So similarly, plugins can help us to use different functionalities and add new functions on the website. Uh, so activate the plugin. Yeah, so it says that the plugin has been installed. Now we have to install the theme. Cool. So we have the plugin installed and we can see the Blocksy over here. So we can click on Blocksy and we can see homepage, starter sites, extensions, useful plugins and changelog. So we have to do nothing with these useful plugins and all, but we have to get started with the starter sites. Now, what you will be seeing over here is all the preloaded plugins which are freely available to use. Not all of them are free. Some 2, 3 are pro versions over here for which we need to pay for this. But apart from these pro versions, we can download and install all of this, any of these templates, and we can use these templates directly, or we can rather use this as a foundation for our website. So talking about this website, we are creating a e-commerce store for a swimming brand. So we will be selling all the products related to swimming and swimming gears, swimming costumes, and accessories. So for this purpose, we need to choose a template which will be more easy to use with like WooCommerce and other e-commerce store management services. So these are all static website and we need a dynamic website over here. So this is a modern store. So for modern store, we can use this. Fine. So we are using modern store plugin over here. Okay. So to preview this plugin, we can just click on preview button to just get an idea like how this website might look. So this is the entire website look, preview look, and these are all dummy or demo products loaded on this website. It seems to be decent for me, and we can now choose this plugin. So we can now choose this template to be loaded on the website. So I'll just click on import button and I'll click on child theme. Next, then we need a Elementor version for this website. I'll explain this both later on in my next video, but as of now we need to click on Elementor, click on next button, and this will be already checked by default. So we need to keep it as it is. We have to click on next button, import the content. Okay, we need to import the options, widgets, and content. Okay, clean install and install. We need to wait for this installation purpose. This might take a small amount of time. So as you can see, this template is being successfully imported, and we can now see this template. So we can click on view entire site. Now this entire template is been loaded to the website from like scratch, and we can see the entire website taking a new look over here. And yeah, entire thing has been imported as it is. Getting back to the dashboard, we can click over here. Cool. Now we can get back to pages section. In pages, we are able to see what are the extra pages and what are the additional pages which the template have been imported along with that. So we have about us, cart, checkout. Okay, so basically everything which is related to create an e-commerce website is been already created over here. Now we can go simply on the home page, right click on edit with Elementor, and we can see the Elementor editor loading over here. The very first thing you can see over here is to this pop-up over here. So you have to click on recreate kit, and you have to regenerate all the files data, sync library, recreate kit. We have to click save changes. Now getting back to the last page, which we refresh this page. And now you're going to see the Elementor and along with the template on the right hand side. Along with this Elementor, you can just edit this website as long as you want, and you can recreate this website as per your changes. Now you can see this entire template has been loaded on the website, and in the homepage we are able to see the Elementor editor along with the side view of the website. Now using Elementor and all the additional functions, you can edit this website as you want, and you can develop your own UI UX for this website front end development. And I'll suggest you can go with Elementor Pro, because Elementor Pro provides some additional features and which are very useful for the website. Okay, but you can rather go with Elementor basic version and create a very responsive website along with that. So to create a responsive website, you have to click over here on this section, and over here you can see template tablet mode and a mobile portrait mode. So a responsive website means nothing but you have to create a website which is fully functional and having full features on all the devices, maybe laptop, tablet, and mobile phone. So here is where you can edit the mobile version. Here is where you can edit the desktop version, and that's how after editing you have to click on update. I'll recommend to keep updating this button after making 7-8 changes periodically. Why? Because sometimes you might find a glitch on the website, or maybe your internet connection might lag, which might stop you from updating the website, and all your updates and changes might go in waste. So I'll recommend that. Talking about the header and the footer section. So this is a footer section. We can develop and we can edit this footer section directly from Elementor. Rather, we can go to the dashboard of the website. We can go on the appearance section, click on customize section. Customize section is for the all the concrete level or the basic level changes which we have to create on the website. Now general changes, we have all the layout buttons and social media buttons, blah blah blah. For the header, for to change the header, we have to click on header, and over here you can see how you can change the header section. You can add the like buttons. You can just figure it out in your own way. You can change the logo. You can select a logo from your file, and you can upload it directly from your desktop, from your PC, right? And you can do all the additional changes over here. You can add one more bar on top of that. Okay, talking about footer. So here we have the footer, and you can edit the footer in the same way. If you don't find this a comfortable way, you can directly go back to the dashboard, get to the plugin section, and add a new plugin called Elementor Header and Footer Editor. Okay, I'll just type it down. You can simply write a keyword called header and wait for the search results. Okay, so this is the this is a plugin which we need to install. Click on install now. So this plugin has been successfully installed. Click on activate. So you can see the plugin has been installed and activated on this website. Now to access this plugin, you have to straightly go on the appearance section. You have to drag your mouse over here and uh, uh, click on Elementor Header Footer Builder. Okay. Once you get over here, you have to click on Add New Section. Okay. So you have to type the title of this. I can just name it as a header, and I can select an option from here. So this is a header. What is this? So this is a header before footer or custom block. So I can click on header section. Now what I have to do is I have to do this I have to select like visible on entire website. User roles like for all and publish. Cool. Now you have to edit this entire web header using the Elementor section. You can see that we have successfully loaded the header editor section, and you can create your own header by just using the Elementor tools and Elementor sections from this section. Okay. And once you have created the header, you have to click on update and get back to the website. Similarly, you can follow the same method to create the footer. Now, once you have created this entire website, you can go to the WooCommerce section. Now, this is the important part of this e-commerce website. Let me give you an idea about WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a platform or a tool which can be used on WordPress or any some of the other website making services, where you can set up your own store, add products, and you can automate the advanced functionalities of an e-commerce store. So to begin with WooCommerce, you can just log in with your business and complete this entire registration process. And once you have completed, you can access the additional functions of the WooCommerce. So you can click on WooCommerce, you can get back, and you can figure out all the additional functionalities from this section. Now you can see on the orders that how many orders have been placed from the website. As of now, we don't have any orders, but you can see how many are the orders and how to fulfill these orders, right? Talking about customers, customers are the list of people who have bought or have done purchase from your website, right? Coupons, you can add your own coupons. Reports is the analytical report. And okay, we are over here. Cool. Hmm. Status is nothing but the what you can say, the live status of the orders which are there on the website. To add products, we have to click on product section. These are all the products from the template, imported from the template. So you can rather edit these products or you can import a new product from a scratch. You can directly import the bulk Excel file for importing bulk products, maybe like 100 or thousands on this website. This is how the description looks, the title of the product, the image. You can add more image from here. And yeah, that's all. Talking about this section, this is nothing but the additional information about the product, which will be helpful for the analytical and the tracking purpose. You can add the inventory, SKUs, attributes, advanced settings from here, product description, short description over here, and we can also add comments, manual comments from here. You can add the sections, categories, and that's all for this website. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to create a website from a scratch using a template and WooCommerce. Now we will be looking about how to do all the additional functions on the website, and we can see in this next video. But till then, stay tuned and I can get back to you with amazing and very cool features of this website. And that's all for this video. Let's see how to create additional features and how to edit the website on more advanced level in this next video. Till then, have a good time. Goodbye.